Ever feel like Agile terms are thrown around and everyone just assumes you know what they mean? Today, we're diving into the top 10 essential terms in Agile project management. These terms form the foundation of Agile, helping teams stay flexible and deliver consistent value. Ready to dive in? Let's go! 1. User story. In Agile, a user story is a simple way to describe a feature or need from the user's perspective. It's usually written like this: as a user, I want feature, so that benefit. This format keeps the story focused on real user outcomes, which helps prioritize work that truly benefits the end user. Each user story includes what's called acceptance criteria, conditions that need to be met for the story to be complete. The user story format allows teams to think deeply about user needs and define clear expectations, keeping everyone aligned on what done looks like. 2. Sprint. A sprint is a time-boxed work period, usually lasting between 1 and 4 weeks, during which the team completes a set of tasks to deliver a usable product increment. Each sprint has a specific duration and a sprint goal that sets the focus for what the team aims to achieve by the end. Sprints wrap up with a sprint review, a feedback session where the team and stakeholders reflect on what's been accomplished and make any needed adjustments for future work. These regular intervals help the team stay focused and keep momentum, allowing them to deliver consistent value without overwhelming workloads. 3. Product backlog. Think of product backlog as the evolving to-do list for the product. It's a prioritized list that includes features, enhancements, and bug fixes, basically everything planned for the product. The product owner is in charge of this list, continuously refining and prioritizing it based on feedback and changing needs. This backlog ensures that the team is always working on the highest value items, and it gives flexibility to adjust as priorities shift. With the backlog as a guiding tool, the team stays focused on delivering meaningful work without getting sidetracked by lower value tasks. Speaking of product owner, it is the 4th term on our list. The product owner is one of the most crucial roles in Agile. This person is responsible for maximizing the product's value by managing the product backlog and representing the voice of the customer. Acting as the main link between the team and stakeholders, the product owner owns the backlog and decides what the team should work on next based on the customer's needs. By setting priorities and constantly aligning with the team, the product owner ensures that the work being done is always focused on delivering value efficiently and effectively. 5. Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is the role that keeps the Agile process running smoothly. They're not the boss of the team, but rather a facilitator and coach, focused on removing obstacles and ensuring that the team follows Agile principles. This role involves what's called servant leadership, where the Scrum Master supports the team and actively helps remove any roadblocks that might prevent them from getting work done. By creating an environment that encourages productivity and collaboration, the Scrum Master empowers the team to focus on delivering value. 6. Daily stand-up. The daily stand-up or daily scrum is a short, focused meeting where team members share updates on what they did yesterday, what they plan to do today, and if they're facing any roadblocks. This meeting, usually limited to 15 minutes, helps everyone stay in sync without taking too much time out of the workday. This quick daily check-in promotes accountability and allows the team to identify obstacles early, which can prevent small issues from becoming big problems. It's a simple practice, but it's vital for keeping the team aligned and maintaining momentum. 7. Retrospective. At the end of each sprint, there's a sprint retrospective, a dedicated time for the team to review what went well, what didn't, and what can be improved in the next sprint. This meeting is focused on continuous improvement and gives the team a safe space to openly discuss feedback. By reflecting and identifying specific actions to enhance future sprints, the retrospective builds a foundation for team growth and adaptability. 8. Velocity. Velocity measures the amount of work the team can complete within a sprint, often represented in story points or completed tasks. Based on the team's past performance, it helps estimate their capacity for upcoming sprints. Velocity is a reflection of the team's productivity, providing insight into how much work they can realistically handle. It's an essential planning tool for setting achievable sprint goals and ensuring the team has a manageable workload. 9. Epic. An epic represents a large user story that typically spans multiple sprints and requires breaking down into smaller, manageable stories. It's essentially a big picture feature that takes time and effort to deliver. Epics provide a high-level overview of substantial pieces of functionality, which are then decomposed into user stories that can be tackled incrementally. This approach allows the team to deliver complex features piece by piece while maintaining focus on incremental progress. 10. Kanban Board. Kanban Board is a visual tool that shows the flow of tasks through different stages, typically from to do to in progress and done. Each task progresses across the board's columns, which provides a snapshot of the team's workload and task status at a glance. The board often includes limits on how many tasks can be in each stage, helping the team balance their workload and avoid bottlenecks. By visualizing work in this way, the Kanban board brings transparency and focus, encouraging the team to finish tasks before starting new ones. And there you have it, our top 10 essential terms in Agile project management. Each of these terms forms a core part of Agile methodology, helping teams stay flexible, focused, and consistent in delivering value. These terms come up every day in Agile environments, so having a solid grasp of these terms is key to working effectively. Of course, Agile has a lot more to offer, and I'd love to hear from you. What other Agile terms do you think should be on this list? Let us know in the comments below. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more project management insights. For more resources on Agile and other project management topics, head over to pmaspirin.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.